Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony. In this video I'm going to show you how to take the drive shaft out of your Jeep Wrangler. So before we get started, remember if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you'll be able to get all of our latest uploads.
So to take the drive shaft out, you're going to want a 5/16 socket and just put it on there, and you want to crack these loose like that, and rotate like the drive shaft around, get them all cracked loose. And I'm actually going to hook this up to my cordless gun here. So speed this up. And whatever. And be careful, you don't want to have these caps come off on you. You want to make sure those are on there nice and tight because there's little spleens in there. You don't want to mess those up. They should come out fairly easy. If they're stubborn, you can put some penetrating oil on them, like some PB Blast.
So you get to a point in your life where the guy on the right's my dad, the guy on the left's some of my best friends. We grew up together in my dad's shop. The guy on the left kind of got into a fight with the beehive. And the guy on the right just watched me work my butt off. Let's get back to the video. So to take the drive shaft out, put your hand over the little two caps right here. You don't want them to fall off, and it just slips right out of the transfer case. Take it off, and make sure you put something underneath the snout. So you can get some fluid. So now, should be ready to put the drive shaft back in. So actually, before you put the shaft back in, just wipe it down and inspect like this part of the shaft going in. Make sure there's no nicks on it and that it's clean and smooth, so it does nothing. No irregularities on that are going to nick that new seal and cause a leak all over again. So this one looks pretty good to me. It's pretty smooth. There's nothing on it that I can see or feel that didn't cause a problem. So let's put this back in. So grab your shaft and slide the end that goes into the transfer case back in. Make sure that the spine is lined up. And wiggle it a little bit. It should slide right for you. Make sure your hands are over the caps so that they don't come off of the U-joint. And you don't want to lose them on the ground, have your bearings go all over, because that's a pain to be doing that. It's also, this is a good time to inspect those U-joints. If they don't move around freely, if they have, there's some play in them, it's a good time to replace them. And I'll get together with my buddy Stevo here at some point and do a video on that too. So those are in. Take those little clamps that came off that help hold the drive shaft to the yoke right here. Take your screws, start them by hand. You don't want to start them with like the socket or anything because you don't want to cross thread them. Start them by hand. Feel them catch. It's 2 on this one because it's a pretty easy drive shaft to do. And then, once that is all set, grab the socket and then tighten them down a little bit. Not all the way yet. I'm going to spin the drive shafts and catch the other ones. So just bring them down so they start to get snug. this one on. Alright, and then same deal. Start the screws by hand. And tighten them down. So once you have all 4 screws caught, just go around the socket, slide them up. You don't really want to use an impact or anything on these. Are pretty tiny. You don't want to snap them because that'll make you really miserable. Just tighten them down. Alright, you should be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot of great stuff coming your way. Thanks.